Okay guys, welcome to the disaster. This isn't really a layout update, as more of a remembrance video. But it is my layout for now. I have a outer main line that is in black ballast. Runs all the way around where those auto racks are sitting. Has a single siding off the side here with a paved lot. The switch is right there. Double bridge with a crossing. I've got the crossing there and a bridge I've built myself. The inner track, or tracks, single main basically, runs around with a switch here. Switch runs in, runs along, and if you're on the outside track, you can either switch in and cross in with the inside, or stay on the outside. Runs around, past that switch, and over onto the double bridge. The inside track is a little bit different. This is mainly what I don't like about this. Crossover on the inside track. Over there's a crossover. Come around, pretty tight radius. Through the crossing again, then through a single bridge. Here I have a transfer yard with the conveyors under the track. Little siding here, runs around. So this is basically what the branch line consists of. The inner track is elevated slightly. Here I've already started on the construction. They used to join in here. There used to be a switch in this crossing right here. So just the two spurs were in. Cross over, run back up over the crossing, or the crossover, up onto that track, and join into the outer track there at that switch. Here I had a siding in, going to be a paved lot, in over the bridge and just dead end by the pump jack there. I have a loading dock here, and a farm supply that I was going to have there. Road up through the middle. Got a little KFC, windmill, billboard. I had a salvage yard here, the main office. A little tiny track, just goes nowhere, back and forth for a crane to unload cars or load them. I had bought a conveyor for them, in there to load loose scrap up. Got an elevated part here, ramp going up it. That was going to be to unload dirt or ballast out of gondolas with an excavator or something. I started ripping this track up. That's basically it. I've got realistic water in the river here, and two culverts in there with all the crossings and that have followed, the crosses that have fallen in. Pretty simple. Not really what I had in mind. Or what I had in mind at the beginning, but not what it turned out to be, what I didn't like. I'll show you the bridge I built here by myself, just out of a sheet of styrene and some iron. Got the I-beams in the bottom of it, the cross supports, put hydrocal on the top, and then the railings. I plan to keep this, try and put it into my new layout that I'm planning. I'll show you the pump jack. Got a switch here, flip it on. There you can see the pump jack. Just a little motor underneath. I can take that out and save it. My Zephyr system, it'll be coming out. All the switches were wired at one time, but since I switched over to the Digitrax, they didn't get wired. So try and save as many as I can for the staging yard. And I guess when I get this tore apart in the next month, I'll start doing layout updates of the new layout. Great big shelf will be out of here. I'll be able to go right to that closet door and to the light switch. I'm just going to leave enough room between the door and that wall to get through. Other than that, got the whole room. And I forgot to mention here, I've got a windmill scene under construction. The first tower, or the first section up, two on the ground, then the blades. Get some dirt piled up and that. Also be working on weathering and rail fanning a little bit, what little I can. And updates of weathering and that, and of the club in Windsor. But other than that, you won't see anything on my layout for the next month or so until I get this one tore down and ripped out. So thanks for watching, guys.